Alright, so I'm working on this truck back here, trying to fix a spark plug, and the spark plug wrench won't hold on to the spark plugs when I'm trying to pull them out. So I'm going to go ahead and fix it. Stick around. Alright, so these spark plug wrenches have a metal grommet inside of them that grips the outside of the spark plug when you undo it so that you can pull it out of the hole. This one's not working, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this cheap electrical tape and I'm going to build it up around the outside of the grommet. Maybe. My work area is too dusty here. Let's do this. Maybe. It's about 110 degrees too. That might have something to do with it. So, what I'm going to do, get it around here. The idea is that we build it up around the outside so that it's thinner on the inside. If I can cut this without cutting myself. Alright. Now we're going to stick it back in there. Let's go see if I can get my spark plug out.